Hello kids, welcome to our ABC learning lesson. Today we are going to learn the English alphabet from A to Z with fun animals. Are you ready? Let's begin. Well, we will begin with a letter. A is for alligator. An alligator lives in swamps and rivers. It's a wild animal. Can you say alligator? Yeah, alligator. Dude, where'd you go? The next one is bee. B is for bee. A bee is a small insect. It makes honey. Bzz, bzz. The next is C. C is for cat. A cat is a popular pet. Cats are very playful and friendly. The next is D. D is for duck. A duck can swim in water. It says quack, quack. It's very interesting. Am I right, my dears? The next is E. E is for an elephant. Elephant is the largest land animal. It has a long trunk. Well, our next letter is F. F is for fox. A fox is very clever and fast. It lives in forests. Well, the next is G. G is for giraffe. A giraffe has a very long neck. It is the tallest animal in the world. Well, the next letter is H. H is for hippo. A hippo spends much of its time in water. It's very large and strong. Well, next letter is I. I is for iguana. An iguana is a type of lizard. It loves warm places. Well, J. J is for jellyfish. A jellyfish lives in the ocean. It has a soft body. The next is K. K is for kangaroo. A kangaroo lives in Australia. It carries its babies in a pouch. Well, my dears, next letter is L. L is for lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. It's brave and powerful. Do you like lion? The next letter is M. M is for monkey. Monkeys like climbing trees. They're very smart animals. Well, my dears, next letter is N. N is for narwhal. A narwhal lives in the Arctic Ocean. It has a long tusk. Well, next is O. O is for owl. An owl can see well at night. It's a nocturnal bird. The next is P. P is for panda. Yeah, panda. It's a very sweet animal. Panda love eating bamboo. They're cute and gentle. Am I right, dears? Well, next is Q. Q is for quail. Quail is a small bird. It can run very fast. And next letter is R. R is for rabbit. A rabbit has long ears. It loves carrots. Well, next is S. S is for snake. A snake has no legs. It moves by slithering. T. T is for tiger. A tiger is a powerful wild cat. It has beautiful stripes. U is for unicorn. A unicorn is a magical animal from stories. It has one horn. My dear, next letter is V. V is for whomper bat. A whomper bat is a small bat. It comes out at night.
I drank way too much blood last night, even for a vampire.
W is for whale. A whale is the largest animal in the ocean. It's the mammal. Next is X. X is for X-ray fish. This fish has a transparent body. You can almost see through it. Well, my dears, next letter is Y. Y is for yak. A yak lives in cold mountains. It has thick fur. My dears, our next letter is Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes. Every zebra's stripes are unique. Great job, everyone! Today we learned the English alphabet from A to Z and many amazing animals. Let's say the alphabet one more time together. Are you ready? Well, A, this is A. B, this is B. C, this is C. D, this is D. E, this is E. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, this is L. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, Z. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.